Hello guys, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to find pet-friendly Airbnb. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Airbnb prides itself on being a flexible marketplace for hosts and guests. Before Airbnb's emergence, most major accommodation booking sites had rigid pet policies. But now it's easier than ever to book a place that allows travelers to bring their pets with them. In this video, I'll show you how to find a pet-friendly listing on Airbnb. Before that, let's learn what is Airbnb's pet policy. Airbnb allows each host to decide whether or not they'll allow pets into their home. Some hosts don't allow pets because of allergies, others prefer to avoid the cleaning, and many don't because Airbnb doesn't cover pet damage. Deciding whether or not to make a home pet-friendly is an important decision for every Airbnb host, since they're sure to gain and lose guests either way. So, let's find pet-friendly Airbnb. On Airbnb.com, enter your destination, dates and the number of guests, then click Search. On the search results page, click More Filters. In the pop-up, scroll down to House Rules and select Pets Allowed. This way, your search results only display pet-friendly listings. After you find a listing that suits your taste and budget, scroll down to the House Rules section of the listing. Just below House Rules, click Get Details. The House Rules pop-up may include particular rules the host has regarding pets, like what type of pet is allowed, what a pet can or can't do on property, and more. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.